Hello everybody, my name is Claude Rustom. I'm a senior application consultant for Microsoft Dynamics Business Central. The goal of my videos and posts on LinkedIn and YouTube is to provide educational content for my users, customers, and consultants. Our today's session is related to the Excel layout in Business Central, and also we will do some small analysis using Copilot. Let's go directly to Business Central and do our demonstration. First of all, let us go to Report Layouts. In the report layouts, you will see that we have a lot of reports, RDLC reports. We can select any of these reports and do it as a report layout, Excel report layout. Let us first go to statistics. Let us go to customer item statistics and run the report. Once we run the report, we don't preview it, we don't print it. Let us send it to Excel. From all these options, we will select the last one is Microsoft Excel document data only. Microsoft Excel data only, it will download the customer item statistics and we will open it. Once it's open, we will do some fine-tuning into this Excel. We will add some graphs. First of all, we will enable editing. We will go to Insert, Pivot Table, and create a pivot table for this list. First of all, let us go to Customer Name, select the customer name, select the description, item description, select the profit, and close it. Now what we will do, we will insert a new graph. Let us select this one, and here you can filter. I will make it big and we'll put it here. Then for this customer, these item, and I have the profit here. Now I will save this report and then go again to this list, create a new report. I will take this one, I will do it like this and add CR at the end. It's a format option Excel available in all companies. Now I will click on OK. Now I can drag and drop or select from my list the report that I want. Customer item statistics. Now in the customer item statistics, let me search for CR. Now I have multiple, but let me again, statistics, customer item statistics CR, this one, and I will make it as default. Now if I go to customer list statistics, and because I put it as a default customer item statistics, I will download it. Now the Excel is saved with the same graph that I want to do. Let us take another example, easier than this, to see the difference and how this is very important for our BC implementation. On the customer card, I will go and put a credit limit, change this credit limit to be $75,000 for 30,000 School of Fine Arts. Now I will go to report layouts. In the report layouts, I will select customer list. In the customer list, I already did a report here. We will run it. I will run it from here and download it. You remember we did a change for $75,000 credit limit for the customer 30,000. Look here, before I did the enable editing, it was 12,500. Now it's 75,000, and the graph is updated automatically based on what we did. Let us go next on the Copilot and how Copilot can help us do some report. Let's go first on the customer ledger entries. On the customer ledger entry, I have two views. I have this view and I have the analysis view. On the analysis view, now it's a new functionality, create a new analysis with Copilot. Create new analysis, I will put here in the analysis, customer due invoices with due dates. Automatically, Copilot will go to the list and try to analyze and give me the data. For example, here it gives me customer number, customer name, due date, and I will add the remaining amount. In this case, I have this one, and also what can I do? I can freeze, I can do multiple options here. Automatically the report is saved. Also I can rename it, I can share it with somebody else, and I can copy the link and share it with Teams or by email. Also, if I want to do a pivot table, on the pivot table I can put whatever I want. I can remove the summation and do some filtering on top of the analysis. Thank you so much. If you need any help, please message me on LinkedIn or send me an email. Visit my website www.clauderustom.com. Thank you so much.